California's first recorded COVID-19 death, intense political pressure, and physical threats. All of it happening just months after Dr. Aimee Sisson took the job as Placer County Health Director.
It's a job she then left months later, now leading the Yolo County Health Department. CBS 13's Valina Jones is live with her uneasy ride on a bumpy road, Valina.
Yeah, well, it's been 8 months since California was hit with this pandemic, and Dr. Sisson says one of her biggest obstacles has been convincing the public and local politicians that coronavirus is a real threat and to take precautions seriously.
I don't think that there's going to be a bigger public health crisis.
Just 4 months into her job as public health officer, Dr. Aimee Sisson found herself leading Placer County in a global pandemic.
What the state failed to appreciate was the amount of political pressure on local health officers.
The county at the time had the first recorded death in California. Still, her strict health orders were challenged and even made her a target. What threats have you received during this time?
Some are vague and somewhat veiled. I've received at least one that specifically, called for physical harm.
Dr. Sisson says it was this moment she had enough.
All those in favor? Aye.
When the Board of Supervisors voted unanimously to rescind their emergency health order in September, claiming herd immunity was a better strategy.
Where I draw the line is something where I say that's not an acceptable compromise that would violate my integrity.
How have politics and science collided?
We aren't all working from the same set of facts, and I think that makes it very difficult to convince people of truth.
Sisson says the biggest lessons learned was California reopening too soon. Now approaching a second wave with most counties in purple, she says the state's rollbacks are essential to moving forward.
We have a light at the end of the tunnel now, and I think for the public to realize that we won't have to do this forever, but we do have to keep doing this now.
Now, Yolo County is one of the few counties that actually imposes fines for businesses who do not follow health orders. So far, they've only issued about 4 of those fines. Sisson says that's in large part because people are following health orders. And when they're not, she says the educational approach has seemed to be more effective.
Yeah, good questions and candid answers, Valina. Thank you.